memories.
Yes.
All great camping trips.
Is there one that's in your mind right now?
Fantastic trip, helicopter in to the river, no walking access, so a bunch of us ahead of us.
You've had some injuries and you know you'd love to be doing more kayaking, but that's restricting you, right?
Yes.
Okay. So the purpose of us doing what we're doing, the way we're doing it, is to have you connect on a deeper level in the ocean. So you're not just in the adrenaline rush in the white water, which is your preference, right?
Has been for decades.
Yes.
Yeah.
You love the smooth ride, but the white water, the rush of that,
Yeah.
is your thing.
Most definitely.
So we're trying to expand your connection to the environment so you can actually enjoy the water and the kayaking differently.
Yeah. Because yeah, for decades I've just been after the buzz. connecting in a different way. It's yeah, crucial.
And you did say to me often you'll have that great day, but you'll come home almost deflated. Is that right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Tell me about it.
Yeah. I'll have a great day going with friends, and yeah, some really good fun. And then get home and then feel flat. So I was aware that okay, it's a short-term buzz, but not being fulfilled when I'm not in the kayak.
Okay, what are we doing here today?
What are we doing here today is connecting with the ocean.
Differently?
In a very different way. Yeah. So rather than just going and using the waves.
Tell me the feeling of the first swim.
So my first swim today, and floating around, it just feels really nice. It feels like home. Natural.
Okay, that was the first swim. What about the second swim? After we've had the talk of connection, describe what we talked about.
So we talked about the ocean being a whole living thing. It's not just some water. And knowing more about water now, and how it has a memory and can transmit thoughts and feelings, and then thinking about all the life forms in there that are all part of one, and all those thoughts going back and forth, and all the energy of all the animals. There was a different connection, a different experience, a more connecting experience, which I haven't done before. I've been in the ocean thousands of times, but haven't thought about the ocean that way before. It's really very different.
Is it, considering the word fulfillment differently, would you say that was part of it? A beginning of fulfillment of, yeah, there's something more to connect to.
Yes, definitely a different and deeper connection to the ocean.
So the feeling of you're not being alone, of you just you and the waves, but you being part of that.
Yeah.